In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can insert a date picker content control in Microsoft Word. So let's go quick into the process. So I just have to open my Microsoft Word from here. So in your case, you have to also do that. And I have prepared a table for you wherein we're going to indicate the date for this day. Okay, so how can we do that? How can we insert the date picker content control? It's very easy. You just need to look at the ribbon at the top and you'll find all these tabs. Now you will find the developer tab. Click on the developer tab and here you'll find the option. So simply click on the cell, row, or the column that you want to put the date, and you'll find this option, date picker content control. Insert a date content control. So click on that and it will state click or tap to enter a date. Click on this drop down and then we're just going to choose the date for today or the date that you like or that you want to put into your table or your Microsoft Word document. And that's it. That's how you can easily insert a date picker content control in Microsoft Word. Now, if in case you don't have the developer tab from here, how can you enable the developer tab on your Microsoft Word? Click on File, click on More, click on Options. Then here, you just need to simply click on Customize Ribbon. Customize the ribbon. Click on this drop down and choose Main tabs. And here you'll find Developer. Make sure to check this to enable it and click on OK. And you will find the Developer tab from here with a date picker content control as its feature. Okay, so that's how you can do it. And I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.